So I've already reset the range for the next service due, but I'm just gonna see, can I find it here, service in 10,000 kilometers, 7 months. But I'll show you when you're resetting it. I wonder if I can do it here and just show you again and reset it. So you have this toggle switch here, and if you push it, press and hold, and keep an eye on the service message. It might reset it again anyway. Okay, so let it flash and it will stop. Then you let go of the, when it stops flashing, let go of the button, and that's it, the service reset. Now sometimes when you start the car, it mightn't actually show you the, like the service light will be on, but it mightn't show you it straight away. So you can just toggle back and forth through the settings until you find when it says, should be here now, yeah, so when it says service due. And that's it. That's another video. I have other jobs possibly to do on this car, but that'll be at a later date and we'll get more videos out soon. Thanks for watching.